The recent Instagram update has blessed us with more ways than ever to get creative with our stories. But if you like staying one step ahead and making sure your content stands out from everybody else's, we've got some hacks for you. You're probably used to doodling all sorts of cute additions to your stories using the pen tools, but did you know these pens have some hidden uses? Snap or upload a pic first to activate all your tools, then you can use the standard pen to change the background colour of your story by pressing and holding anywhere on screen. Explore more colour options by pressing and holding any from the palette and simply drag your finger to the colour you want. Or why not use the eyedropper and grab a shade directly from your picture. This will cover over your picture, so you'll need to layer it back over the top of your new background. Head into the stickers and choose the gallery option that's available on the iOS version of the app. If you're an Android user, download the SwiftKey keyboard if you don't already have it, and you can insert a gallery image this way. Copying and pasting also makes it easy to create collages on your story without needing to use a separate app, because you can paste in as many pictures as you like. The highlighter pen offers a slightly different look and feel by adding an opaque background to your story. You can then use the eraser to bring clarity back to part of the image. Or just copy and paste again for a cool layered effect. There are all sorts of other ways to use your pens and eraser for a creative flair. Check these out. Now that my story is almost complete, it's time to experiment with some of these new font options, and I like to mix and match. To finish off, there of course has to be a GIF. Give these little tricks a try and start wowing your followers. Be sure to follow 3 Discovery on Insta, and before you go, subscribe to 3 here on YouTube as well for more techie tips.